Hi, this is Pascal from Caplena, and today I would like to show you how you connect your favorite AI tool to Caplena's Insight Agent to infuse customer insights into every workflow that you do with your AI tool. First, we need to set up the connection, and then we can see what kind of work we can achieve, like, for example, creating a PowerPoint report, replying to emails of colleagues asking about customer feedback, or even triaging or prioritizing issues in your backlog in Jira, for example. First, we'll go ahead and activate the MCP. For that, we go to integrations page, and here simply hit enable on the MCP. And this will just show me here the parameters or the information I need to set up the connection. I copy the specific link, and now I'll show the next steps in Claude, in Anthropic's Claude. This is an AI app I use, but it's very similar in any other AI app. All of them support MCP as it's the standard model context protocol. So the steps would not be that different. In doubt, just prompt them on how to create that. Within Claude, I find this part where I set up new MCPs within here connectors, then customize, and then here I can add a custom connector. Name here, Caplena, so it all will understand, okay, every time a prompt is about Caplena, it will know to use this MCP. And then let me add it. And after I've added it, it's not yet authenticated, so it cannot use it yet because first I need to connect my Caplena account to my Claude account here. To do that, I hit here on connect. This opens another web page where I can then choose to authorize Claude to access my data on Caplena. Now it says success, it connected, it brings me back to Claude. And here now I can see two tools. The details of this are not that important. Your agent will know how to deal with this, how to use what. Just one thing maybe of note here that it's set automatically to needing approval here in my case. So every time it will attempt to query Caplena, it will first ask for my approval. I can also change this, but right now I will use it in this way. So let's now hop into a new chat and we'll ask kind of projects. See, I only have one there, so it will just list one project, or at least only one that is set to live, so where the permissions are set such that an agent can access it. You can see in Caplena which, if a project is live, we're looking here on the project overview. If it's not discoverable, then it's not live, then just enable it. So now it sees this Skytrax project, and now I would like to perform my actual work. I can use Caplena MCP now to do all kinds of things where I need information about what the customers are saying. For example, now I want to create a slide deck in PowerPoint that shows the difference of economy versus business class passenger responses for Lufthansa, for example. And yeah, the max 5 slides, start with an executive summary, some points. And of course, I could also guide it on how to style it, etc. I'm not doing that now. I'm sure you have a very nice setup already in your own AI app if you do this kind of work frequently. But I'm going to use here a little bit of a better model. For example, here Opus 4.8, the newest one, just to get a bit better output. And now this might take a couple of minutes until it has created all those slides. It will first start by querying Caplena and then start to assemble the deck based on its output. So it's now doing the first step. It's querying Caplena. Actually multiple times. Likely it wants also to dig deeper, especially with regards to the differences between economy and business class. So this is now launching a bunch of queries in parallel to really get a complete picture of the insights. And it's really getting the same response in the background as you would if you would type this query inside our inside agent. It says now it has obtained all the data and is starting now to assemble the PowerPoint. So now we've obtained the slide deck. Claude took here a few minutes to generate this, but I think it did quite a nice job on building here the executive summary around the key points, then a deep dive on the net content by topic. Remember that this is all based now on the highly accurate Caplena topic assignment and the topics that you have there. So it's really using that high quality results. And yeah, we even at the end have a bit of a recommendation section on what to do next. And this, of course, you can send to your colleagues and earn a lot of praise. As for other connections or other types of work you can do, check out then the other connectors that those apps have. For example, here we would have one also to Atlassian if you want to update, for example, a document, or also, of course, to Microsoft 365 or any other tool or a software as a service tool that connects to Claude. And the possibilities here are really endless. I'm curious to hear what you use it for, what kind of workflow that you're able to automate using the Insight Agent and its MCP within your AI app. Thanks for listening and see you soon.